first activity I want you to do is this. Number one, you're gonna spend 5 minutes, you and your partner, writing down every single value that pops into your mind. It's gonna look something like this: charisma, love, charity, compassion, peacefulness, exquisiteness, academia, character development, learning. Keep on writing them down, okay? Think about what makes something stand out, what really resonates with you. Think about your role model, if you have a mentor. Think about their values, what they're about, their actions. See if you can think of those and then just jot them down. That's what we're gonna do with the first exercise. After you got that list, it's time to play a game of kill, keep, or combined. The point of this is that we're gonna take our brainstorm list and whittle down our core values to 5. We're only going to have 5 core values. Why? Well, it's because if you have, let's say, 50 core values, you're gonna try to be thinking about these things all the time, and it's like riding a unicycle while trying to juggle. It's incredibly difficult, a lot of things in the air, right? Instead, having 5 core values, you can really go deep into every single one of them and truly embody them. Instead of going a little half-ass here, little half-ass there, right? You're gonna go through every single one and you're gonna kill, keep, or combine them. Kill the value. If this value does not spark a fire in your heart or truly resonate with you, let it go. If it's something you're on the edge about, let it go.